Students, this is student doubt. Okay, so let's read this statement. Assuming 2s and 2p mixing not operative, the paramagnetic species among the following are. They are saying you have to assume that 2s and 2p orbitals are not mixing with each other, right? And on the basis of that, you have to judge that which of the following species is paramagnetic in nature. Paramagnetic means that it is weakly attracted by the magnetic field, right? So on the basis of unpaired electrons present in the species, we will judge that this species is paramagnetic or not, right? So what is the condition of paramagnetism? Paramagnetism equal to number of unpaired electrons present in the molecule, right? So how we can judge that how many number of unpaired electrons are present? We will judge it on the basis of molecular orbital theories, right? So let's see the first problem, that is beryllium 2. That means two beryllium atoms are combining and forming a molecule, right? So number of electrons in one beryllium atom equal to 4, right? So the electronic configuration will be 1s2 2s2, right? And second atom of beryllium, again we are having 4 electrons, so 1s2 2s2, right? So out of these 8 electrons, 4 are inert pair electrons and these 4 are valence electrons, right? So we'll see the molecular orbital diagram for these four valence electrons, right? If I'll write the complete electronic configuration of beryllium 2 on the basis of molecular orbital, there are total 8 electrons, sigma 1s 2, sigma star 1s2, right? So these molecular orbitals are inert in nature, right? So again, now sigma 2s 2 and sigma star 2s2, right? These orbitals are having valence electrons, right? So you can see that there is no unpaired electron present in these valence orbitals, right? So I can say that beryllium 2 is not paramagnetic in nature, right? Now, let's see the next one, that is boron molecule, right? One boron atom is having 5 electrons, right? Other boron atom is also having 5 electrons, right? Electronic configuration of one boron is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Second boron atom 1s2, 2s2 and 2p1, right? So these 6 electrons are valence electrons, right? So you can write valence electrons and we'll see the electronic configuration of these 6 electrons, right? I know that sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, these are inert pairs, right? So what I'll do, I'll simply start from sigma 2s2, right? So again you can write sigma 2s 2, right? Sigma star 2s 2, now sigma 2p z 2, right? Again we are not having any unpaired electron, that means boron molecule is also not paramagnetic in nature, right? Now the next one is carbon molecule C2, right? So again we'll see number of electrons in carbon equal to 6, right, in one atom, and again in the second atom it is also 6, right? So electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, right? Again 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Now these 8 electrons are valence electrons, and we'll see the molecular orbital electronic configuration on the basis of these 8 electrons, right? So again, I'll write the electronic configuration from sigma to s2, right? Because these orbitals are showing valence electrons, right? So sigma to s2, sigma star to s2, sigma 2p z2. Now rest two valence electrons are expressed in pi 2px1, pi 2p y1, right? Now these two orbitals pi 2px and pi 2py are having one electron in each. That means these electrons are unpaired in nature, right? So I can say that carbon molecule is paramagnetic in nature, right? Now let's see the last one, that is nitrogen molecule N2, right? So if I'll see one atom of nitrogen, it is having 7 electrons. Other atom of nitrogen, it is also having 7 electrons. So electronic configuration of one atom is equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Now this one 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Now these are the valence electrons. How many valence electrons are there? 2 plus 3, 5. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5 equal to 10 electrons, right? So again, we'll see the molecular orbital electronic configuration for these 10 valence electrons, right? So I'll start the electronic configurations from sigma to s2, right? So sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2p z2, right? Pi 2p x2 and pi 2p y2. There is no unpaired electron, right? So what can I say? Nitrogen molecule is not paramagnetic in nature. So out of these 4 molecules, only carbon is paramagnetic in nature, right? C option is the correct one.